Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from Popexo Beauty.
Hi guys! So we're back with another beauty challenge, and this time Shreya and I will be testing out some weird tools that people have actually used to do their makeup. So Shreya, you wanna tell them about the products that we're gonna use?
Yes, so we have a bunch of products from the household, like kitchen products, we have bathroom products, we have educational products. We have a lot of stuff, and I don't know how we're gonna figure out our makeup routine using these tools.
So I'm just gonna quickly run you guys through whatever tools we're gonna use today with what product. So the first thing we're gonna use is a spoon to apply a foundation.
एक चम्मच फाउंडेशन की कीमत तुम क्या जानो वानी बाबू.
वानी बाबू तुम्हें भी लगाना है, okay? Shreya बाबू. Are you ready?
Yeah, not really, but let's begin nonetheless.
I'm gonna start. God, I don't want to do this. Yummy. Just hope चम्मच साफ हो.
How am I supposed to blend?
Tap, 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 honey.
No, you can't. You have to put the whole thing with your spoon.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Tap,
Sorry,
tap,
I'm the
tap.
rule breaker. Oh my god.
I don't think we can use
This
that.
is not a great feeling, by the way.
So the good thing is that it doesn't absorb any makeup.
That's true. It's like a.
And then if you have any
Solid
extra, you can
sponge.
scrape it with the edge of your spoon if you're like cheap like me. Don't want to use too much products and
My
dil
god,
se
I
garib.
better look flawless after this, cause.
You want to look flawless? I want to look human. Your standards are damn high, yo. Okay, I think I'm kind of giving up after this. My under eye area is looking horrible.
I'm enjoying this. It's actually fun.
What?
Yeah.
Okay. I like the thanda chammach,
But
but the
you know
chammach has
what,
become warm now.
I look flawless because I'm not wearing my glasses and I can't see shit. So everything looks so blurred, and you know when things look
It's
blurred,
like
they
that
look
beauty
sort of,
filter you have
you
on
just
phone.
assume that wow, dude, beauty.
Okay, done.
Yeah, done. I think I'm pretty
Ow.
happy with it. Not really, but कहने में क्या जाता है?
I know. Now, next is we have to put concealer using tomatoes.
Tomato. Guys, tomato, I understand it's good for your skin and all that
But not well
jazz, but अभी तक मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं लगाना है, but करना पड़ेगा.
मैं तो निकल ही नहीं रहा. ये बहुत सारा.
क्या
And
नहीं
it's
निकल
just
रहा? क्या नहीं निकल रहा?
concealer.
तुम्हारा बताओ.
It's just this puch is.
थोड़ा से T-zone पे लगा लीजिए, cause you need to highlight these areas.
I was not gonna do any of that. This woman is putting me under a lot of pressure to do
I'm
things
just gonna utilize
right
every
way.
bit of it.
Okay, done.
Show me your face. Have you even put anything?
Yeah, it's not coming out of this thing only.
You wanna use mine though? Cause otherwise तो फिर ऐसा
Might
लगेगा.
as well now.
धोया है ना टमाटर. खाना भी यही बाद में हमें.
तब तो स्पेशली धोना पड़ेगा यार.
क्या देना?
मतलब I am putting like extra concealer for random joy. This is probably not even my color.
Okay, now this is gonna be difficult. We can't even cut this, otherwise the juice will run out and.
Okay, my tomato is shaped like a pumpkin. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, and it's quite big for my face. Let's
No,
just
this
say.
is not happening.
Oh, it's
creating
thanda and very comforting. That's the only thing it is. It's not even reaching my crevice,
Yeah.
guys. Like, this is just not happening, guys.
I
Who
can't
is
believe
using
I'm
this?
rubbing a bloody tomato on my face, applying foundation.
For all the wrong reasons.
Yeah.
No, but like, you know, I really want to know who are these people who are inventing these hacks.
No, my tomato is not going in. Oh shit, that sounded so wrong.
I want to know whose face is so big that they can use a tomato to conceal. Or is my face like exceptionally small?
No, Baba, I just can't.
Or are these like cherry tomatoes? Are they using cherry tomatoes? You can do it with a cherry tomato maybe.
Oh shit. We're not smart enough and we are extremely poor. And apparently,
Cherry tomato is too
are more
expensive
expensive
to
than
use on your face. Rather
हम
eat
लोग
it,
use
man.
करें देसी टमाटर
हाँ.
because we are cheap that way. So yeah, okay, I'm done.
दिल
I
से
give
गरीब.
up.
Okay.
Tomato.
Yeah. धो के सैलेड बना लेंगे इसका बाद में. So what's
टमाटर
next?
में foundation का स्वाद. Okay, so the next tool that we're supposed to use are these foam plates. I don't know why our friends got us these big ass plates to put on our face. God, Shreya, I can't do this. I'm not looking forward to this one. क्या लगाएंगे? कैसे contour करेंगे इससे?
ऐसे रख दे.
ऐसे लगा.
Okay. This is not going to fit our palettes also. You just have to hack it somehow.
What the hell? This is not possible.
ये लेना ऐसे. Use this. Yeah, because it's powder and it's flat, so it's easier. Okay, let's do it.
Look at that.
Oh damn!
Contour line.
Oh, mine is like this
It's
plate
starting
is
to
too
look like a
big for
puppet.
me. Okay, mine is like, first of all, it's upar niche, and secondly, it's just somewhere else. Should I try blending with this?
Yeah, go for it.
Adventurous, मतलब.
Go for it.
मतलब ये तो erase हो रहा है. ये
मतलब
blend
मस्त
नहीं हो
मैं-
रहा.
I'm very proud of myself for getting at least the lines correct.
I don't think this is really blending. I think this is just. Okay.
Okay.
Why is this line coming till my?
Because you dragged it, madam.
I have a small face. Okay, I'm going to use this tomato only because plate से तो blend नहीं हो रहा life में कुछ भी. Next is blush
Yeah.
using candles.
Yeah. So are you ready?
These
I'm not.
candles.
What is this? Why this? ये एक मुंह पे पड़ेगी ना इंसान को बेहोश हो जाए.
पहले तो ये I don't think this is gonna fit into the blush का thing.
अब सब fit करना पड़ेगा.
Guys,
अच्छी
just
जगह
see.
पे.
This is not
just-
practical.
I just hope I don't break the palette. Poor palette.
I smell the candle. Whoa. I don't know what I'm doing.
Ooh.
Oh shit.
Look at me.
Or maybe we can roll it. No? No, we can't. Can we? I think this side is-
This,
Yeah.
Foundation आ गया bro इस पे.
Who are these people? I really want to meet these people who are
Yeah.
using candles to put on their blush.
Okay, I am good to go. I'm pretty pleased with the blush application with this fat candle.
So you think this is a good hack?
No. Okay guys, so what's the next step to looking beautiful and glam?
The next step to looking glam is this.
No.
No?
It's the eraser.
It's eraser. Okay, it's eraser.
So we'll be applying eyeshadow using these mini erasers. अब देखना क्या कातिल eyeshadow लगाऊंगी मैं. Like you'll be like, who is this girl?
I don't know which color to use. They're all pretty nice though. And I feel it might work because this is the only thing that fits our face, no? By the way. Ooh, damn! Guys, I'm impressed. I'm not suggesting it, but I'm still impressed.
Wow, I look like a what?
You're already
peacock.
wearing green and you're putting orange. You're like,
Okay, I'm
very
just gonna use the
Deshprem.
other side to do my crease.
wow. You're using like all oranges and
Yeah, I'm just going
Browns.
for a warm tone.
oh. I have got no theme. I have got no game. I only got ugly eyes.
And the eraser pretty clean, so we can like cut the edges off and we can use it as a normal eraser. 'Cause
Just wipe the
I'm
edges
just
off. and
chimbi.
use
Chimbi,
it.
what is chimbi? Chindi is what I was.
We're chindi.
The last and but not the least, unfortunately, is the toothbrush. See the bathroom say to your makeup table, and we have to use this thing to apply, like we to make, do our brows and to apply highlighter. So how we do it, it's totally up to us. So let's do it. Your call.
First, I'm gonna
gonna
put highlighter.
Shit, I don't have this. Okay, you're gonna put highlighter first.
Yeah, because once your brush becomes black, how will you put highlighter?
From the other side, honey. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna try with this
I
side.
have. I actually do brush my brows and eyelashes with a toothbrush to when I'm applying castor oil or stuff like that. Very rarely. but वो थोड़ा even वाला toothbrush you have to use. This one is like a
Yeah, what is this
Tiny.
zigzag, man? Okay, this is not a good idea unless you want to exfoliate your skin in the most wrong way. So I'm gonna go with Vani and
it's just
okay, not bad. Okay, bad. Bad. This is not the best idea.
हो गया. I think my brows are anyway quite bushy and
I think that this is the only thing that kind of went right
it's like
with my makeup. See?
not bad.
Yeah.
YOLO. YOLO bitches, YOLO.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh shit.
Hey, where's my tomato? Give me my tomato.
Oh, you like tomato for blending, huh? Okay, done.
Dunsies. अब थोड़ा से finishing touches देते हैं with my tomato.
मैं इसे नाक के ऊपर भी highlight करूँगी अब तो. Because why not?
थोड़ा eyeshadow से lipstick लगाओ नहीं क्या? कुछ थोड़ा incomplete लग रहा है मुझे.
मैं तो लिपस्टिक लगा हुआ है because we weren't supposed to apply lipstick. I'm like पहले लगा लो. ये भी लगा लो तुम ब्रश से. होठों को एक्सफोलिएट करा के.
I'm जुगाड़ू.
So guys, after this beautiful transformation, we are gonna give some final shots because why not?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pose like a star
Oh my god.
with my tomato. I'm so lame. Loving it. You're gonna pose with a brush.
Yeah. Okay.
Oral hygiene bhi yaar.
I'm a brush girl. I don't know what that meant, but
So we are pretty together. So that's it for the video, guys. Let us know what you feel about it in the comment section below.
And before you go, don't forget to check out the Popixer shop. We've got some really cool merchandise like sweatshirts, wall clocks, mugs, and a lot more. So just click on the link in the description box and go shop now.
And for more such fun challenges and weird challenges, tune into Popixer Beauty.